Have you ever wanted to winterize your screened-in porch so you can enjoy it year-round? Then the screen block system from ScreenTight is exactly what you need. In the winter months, a clear layer of heavy-duty film installs right over your existing screen block screens, keeping the cold air out. Then when warm weather returns, simply remove the film layer and enjoy the benefits of your open-air porch. To install screen block, you'll need an existing porch frame in good condition. Begin by measuring the horizontal dimension of each opening you're planning to screen. Then, cut a piece of the screen block PVC base to the proper length with a chop saw. It's important to measure and cut each base section separately, as dimensions can vary. Test fit the screen block base before installing. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 3 retainer strips from the base. Set these aside because you'll use them later. The screen block base must be installed with the flat side resting against the porch frame. Use 2-inch screws every 10 inches or so apart to secure it on the top and bottom. Once you have the horizontal base installed, measure and cut the vertical ones, making sure to account for the thickness of the screen block base you've already installed. There is no need to miter the corners. Just keep the base the same distance in from the edge so that all sides will line up properly. Screen block screens are installed in their own channel of the base, so you never have to remove them to winterize your porch. Stretch a section of screen over top of the opening, making sure it's straight. Use the retainer strip you removed to hold the screen in place, tapping it back into the channel with a rubber mallet. Work across the top, sides, and bottom. The screen will tighten as you go. Trim off any excess screen with the utility knife. Then repeat the process for the rest of the porch. Once all screens are in place, you'll need to insert the middle retainer strip before installing your film layer. Take the second of the retainer strips you removed and tap it into place with a rubber mallet. This will cover the fasteners, giving the porch a clean, seamless look. The screen block clear film is installed in the remaining channel of the base. Place the film over the opening at the top of the frame. Then, push in the retainer strip to secure it in place. Work your way across, tapping it in gently with a rubber mallet. Once the top is straight, work down the sides and finally the bottom, using the retainer strip to secure the film. When you're finished, trim off the remainder with a utility knife. The clear film screens can be added or removed as needed, depending upon the weather. With a screen block porch, you'll enjoy year-round comfort while extending the living area of your home.